Education Land. This is Russell Smith. I'm the Instructional Technology Facilitator for Carpenter Elementary as well as Fuquay Varina High School. Today I wanted to show you a website that allows you to upload documents and combine them with video in order to create a recorded presentation that you can use if you're doing a presentation and you can't be there in person, or if you want to try out a flipped classroom format in which you record videos for your students to watch again and again. It's something you can easily do if you have a prepared presentation, or even if you don't, you can record on the fly. The website is called MoveNote.com, MoveNote.com, and you can get an account for free. What you have to do is you click up here where it says get a MoveNote account, and you sign up for free. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Account here, and an account exists with a specified email list because I've already technically signed up for it. That's why it says that. I'm going to go just go through, just demonstrate how you would enter your information, and then you click your account, and then after you create account, you're going to have to confirm the account in your email. So I'll pause the video for just one moment while I switch over to the actual MoveNote account itself, and give you a chance to sign up for yourself. One moment. Once you've confirmed your account in your email, this is the dashboard for creating a new presentation in MoveNote. Okay, so what I've done is I've confirmed the account the registration for my account in my email, and this is the dashboard for when you're creating a new presentation in MoveNote. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to give your presentation a title. That's done up here in the upper left-hand corner where it says Untitled Presentation. You just start typing whatever you want to call it. For example, I'm going to call this Sample Tech Tidbits Presentation. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to allow MoveNote access to my camera and microphone. So I'm going to click OK and click Close. And hopefully in a second you're going to see my pretty face right up there in the right hand corner. You can hear me right now, but can you see me? I'm not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed as if you can't see me. So what you're going to do is the next thing you want to do is you want to add content to your computer. These are already stored in your on your desktop, or perhaps even stored in your Gmail. You click Add Slides, or it could be a PDF, it could be a document, a Word document, it could be a picture. So for example, I'm going to upload this PDF I made for an AverVision document camera. So right now it's converting the PDF into a format that can be used in MoveNote. I'll give it just a second to convert, and I'll continue when it's converted. Okay, so the MoveNote has uploaded and processed the PDF that I created for this document camera that I was demonstrating in how to operate it. So what you can do is, once it's uploaded, you can start your presentation. Like I said, normally your picture would be here in the upper right hand corner, but in this case it's not, so we'll just pretend it's there. But you can see me right down here. I'll click record. Gives me a 3-second countdown. Hello, my name is Russell Smith, and I am the Technology Facilitator for Fuquay Varina High School, as well as Carpenter Elementary School. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the AverVision U15 USB document camera. As you can see here, this is some of the components you'll have for the document camera. You have your document camera module here, as well as the cable that connects the document camera to the USB port on your laptop. Now, you advance your slides here, or your pictures on your PDF here. This goes to the next slide or the next picture in your PDF, the next page. And then this is where you continue to read the information or describe the information that's in your presentation. and that you can continue to go through and advance as you wish. If you need to go back and again, because you forgot something perhaps, you can go back to a previous slide or a previous page in the presentation and add something else. So once you've reached the end of your presentation and you're on this last slide of your presentation and you want to pause your recording, you click pause, and then you can, and if you want to resume later, you can click resume. And if you want to preview it, to save it and preview it, click save and preview. Leads you to the next page. It's going to process and convert it for you. Okay, so now the video is processed, and we're led back to this screen here where you can see this is our first video presentation. So I'm going to click play so we can preview it. Now normally what you would see is this is the presentation here, and normally you would see your face here because of the webcam, but I'm assuming because I'm recording this with a Screencast-O-Matic at the same time that you can't have both signals at once, so that's why this box up here is blank. But normally you would be able to see your face here if there's a webcam installed, of course. So what do you do if you want, now you're happy with your presentation and you want to share it. So you can send it with Gmail if you want to, and we'll load it into your Gmail, and you can send it directly to your Gmail if you wanted to. If you don't have Gmail, other options, you can add a link, you can change the background. Let's say if you want to change the background to a blackboard format. So it looks like this. But let's say if you want to rename the presentation, you can rename it here. In fact, let me just rename it to just Tech Tidbits presentation. Rename it. So now you can see the name's been changed at the top. Other options, you can edit the slides. Now in this case we don't have slides, but if you did have slides, if you wanted to add something else, you could add slides from, for example, let's say, these two slides here, if these were part of your presentation as well. They'll be uploaded and converted. Once they're completed, you could go direct all the way to the end. I'm going to fast forward real quick to the very end, and you can see that those slides were added on to the presentation as well. So let me go ahead and save that and save and preview that. And as that's playing, you can embed this if you want to embed this on a wiki site or a website or something like that, or a blog. This is the HTML code that you could copy and paste, and you can change the width and the height if you wanted to, or share the URL or the HTML link here. You can also look at viewer statistics, or you can delete the MoveNote altogether. You can also share it using Facebook or Twitter or Google Plus or LinkedIn or other Pinterest or Tumblr or StumbleUpon or any other social networks that you like. So what you could do is you could always copy and paste this into an email and send it out to your students or post it on your website if you want them to access it themselves. So basically there's a very quick way that you can create your own presentation using MoveNote.com. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to creating more of these little demonstration videos for you. Have a great day.